I'm from India. I'm basically from India, and I came here like 2 years ago. And I'm doing my masters in air pollution here. And in India, I did my bachelor's in civil engineering, where I came across environmental engineering also, and that's why I chose like UC Davis because it has a really great air pollution program, and it also has a center, air quality research center, which is based on campus, and they have a lot of funding which students can avail. And also there is like quality research going on in air pollution right now in UC Davis, and that's why I chose UC Davis. And right now I'm doing graduate student like a research fellowship with my professor, and I'm intending to do my PhD here also with my professor, and I think it will be a good experience.
So any difficult to come here for the international students?
I think it's a little bit difficult while you are applying. It's a difficult process, but you have to like be there and like keep trying until you get it. And initially it was difficult, but when you start doing it, I think it becomes more and more easy as you do more and more things, as you write your SOP and as you do. So first you do small things like you give JRE and TOEFL, and then you start with your SOP, and then you do a little bit research, where whatever you want to do, what are the best universities which focus on that, and yeah, basically.
When did you undergraduate? When did you undergraduate?
2013, and I worked for 1 year after that, and I didn't like the job where I was working on, so I considered applying for higher studies, graduate studies.
Okay, any internships?
No, I'm doing my research with my professor, so I'm working for my professor, and I'm a research fellow.
What are your favorite courses?
Air pollution, like relating to global climate change. I took a course on global climate change last quarter. That was pretty good, and also air pollution control, and I think there was a modeling course where they teach you how to model air pollution and chemistry and transport stuff. So that was pretty interesting.
You're from which department?
Civil engineering.
Yeah.
So I was from civil engineering, and I'm right now in civil engineering, but I'm doing my masters, like my masters, like how would you say that? My masters focus is on air pollution.
Any advice for the future applications?
For other people,
Yeah.
I think they should, whatever they want to do, they should just start it, and everything will start falling in place. I think so. And they should like research hard on universities, what course they want to do and what course is better at which university.
Thank you.